some methods of list, and also few programs in list. Count function is used to count the number of elements in the list. So here fruits contain apple, orange, raisin, apple. So print length of fruits means it shows that number of elements 4. And again reassign fruits equal to apple, orange, and sublist raisins, apple also is there. So now if you are counting length of fruits means it will show that 3, because sublist is considered as a one element, so 1 to 3. Function is used to do just to reverse the elements in the list. So OS is the list name. It holds Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So printing the original list is Windows, Mac OS, Linux is printed. And using reverse functions, the items are reversed in the list. Now you are printing the reverse list means it will come in the reverse order: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Is to clear function just to clear all the items from the list. Say OS original list is printed and the reverse list also printed. Now if you are calling clear means all the elements will be cleared from the list OS. Now you are printing the list which will come the empty square bracket. Is used to sort the items in either ascending order or descending orders in the list. See here fruits apple, orange, raisin, apple, and sort functions using it will be started in ascending order and printed. See here apple, apple, orange, raisin is printed. So again reassign fruits apple, orange, raisin, banana. If you want to uh, sort the elements in descending order, then we have to pass the function reverse equal to true in a sort function. So now we are printing the fruits, now showing that descending order. Raisins, orange, banana, apple is printed. Copy, that is a copy the one list from the another list. So old list contain the values cat 06.7 and new list we are going to create it from the existing list old list using the function copy. So old list dot copy, the same values will be assigned to the new list. So printed old list and new list, same values come. And next you are going to see that how to find that minimum and maximum value of list. Max function is used to find the maximum element and min function is used to find the minimum element. See here the list name is L. It holds the values 12, 34, 46, 18, 9 and it's printed, and the maximum of list is 89 is printed and minimum of list L12 is printed. Another an example is here the list contains the mixed type of elements, number and strings. In this case, if you are trying to find the maximum list means it will printed Zara. According to the ASCII code values, it find that maximum element. So some basic list operations is, so length function is to find the length, how many elements present in the list, and plus operator just to concatenations is perform the concatenation, and multiplication operator it just repeated how many times is given. It will be 4 means 4 times the list values are repeated, and 3 in 4 to 3 means using that in operator we are checking whether 3 is present in the list. If it is present means true, otherwise it return the false. And next iterations, so one element will be assigned to the variable x from the list 4 to 3, and it will be printed inside the for loop using the separator end equal to space. So leaving the space and printed the value. See that a few programs in list. First program, we are going to find the largest element in the list. See, A is an empty list, and we are getting that elements. Next, number of elements assigned to n. So dynamically we are going to give, and in a for loop, just start with a 1, and then we are getting that till the end. We are retrieving that in this position. According to that, we are getting runtime elements for the list, and it will be added to the empty list using the function append. And next, using the method sort, we are sort the elements in ascending order. And next, largest elements, of course the last element will be largest elements. So last elements, how can find that? N is the number of elements, so n minus 1 means the last element we can find out. So the example number of elements 5 is given, so 5 elements we are getting added in the list, and next is sorted, and finally we got the biggest element in the list. Without using max functions, we are finding this. And let's find the largest number in a list in another one way, using the function, use a different function. So first we are passing the list value to the list variables 1, 2, minus and 0, and then first element will assign to the variable max, and next in a for loop 1 by 1 element will be assigned to a variable, and it will be compared with the max. So suppose its condition is true, means that the max value will be reassigned by the variable a. So finally max hold that maximum value, it will be printed. So according to the example, 2 is the maximum value. And next find the mean, that is the average of the list. So list created is named lst, and next we are passing the list value to the average function, and those values are ordered and divided by the number of values. Using the sum function, you are adding all the values, and using the length we can find the number of elements, so 8 values, number of elements 8, so divided, and finally we got the result 30.75. It will come lot of values, but using the round functions, the point next we are just limited to digits values. That's why we are giving received value average comma 2. That means it will decimal values only, it will come point after only 2-digit values only will come. And linear search means the elements will be searched in the given list. If it is present, means it will show along with its position, otherwise it will show not a present. So here first list created is the name of the list is list of elements, and next search elements we are getting runtime, and it will be assigned to the variable x. So here now searching element is 3, and the 3 is compared with all the elements in the list of elements. If it is present, mean it will show that true, and then print along with its position. So again you are giving the another one input 88 for searching, and it will be compared with it all the elements, but it's not present in the list, so its display 88 is not in the list. Program which frequency of an element in list, which counting that frequency of repeated items present in the list. For that we are importing the collection package, and list name is my list. So the original list is printed first, and next using the counter function we are counting the repeated items, how many times repeated. See here, 101 is appear 4 times in the my list, and 201 appears also 4 times. So it is displayed. This one done by the counter function, it is appeared in the collection library. That's why we are importing that import collections. Thank you.